morning, everyone. I'll go to the straight to the point. Our deadline for the next project is moved earlier next week. We need to overtime, focus, and zero mistakes.
Next week, but we're already working late every day.
Sorry, Alex. I'm still learning the system. I'm worried I might slow everyone down.
I understand, Chris, but we don't have a choice. Pressure is a part of work.
Pressure is one thing. Exhaustion is another.
Honestly, I'm so tired. I can't sleep well anymore even on rest day. I think about work.
Same. I'm scared of making mistakes. I don't want to disappoint anyone.
I've been here for years, but lately, I feel unmotivated. I used to enjoy this job.
Do you think Mr. Alex noticed how stressed we are?
Sometimes, leaders are stressed too. They just don't show it.
If this project fails, it's on me. Upper management won't accept excuses. Result matter, no delays. I wish they know how hard everything is trying. Chris, this is wrong. I explained this yesterday.
I'm sorry. I tried my best.
Mr. Alex, please. We are all under a lot of stress.
Yelling won't help. We need support, not more pressure.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Overheard part of that conversation. What's going on?
Miss Lopez, we're overwhelmed, long hours, tight deadlines. It's affecting our health.
I want to do well, but I feel anxious every day.
Stress is lowering our performance, not improving it.
I didn't realize the impact. Thank you for being honest. Starting today, we'll adjust deadlines where possible. No overtime without resting.
I also check in everyone weekly, not just about work but well-being.
That would really help.
Maybe monitoring for new employees too.
And mental health breaks or short check-ins.
Agree. A healthy team performs better.
I've learned something today. Stress doesn't not mean weakness. It means we care.
And talking about it makes a difference.
I feel lighter knowing I'm not alone.
Work is important, but our health matters more.
Let this be a reminder, success is not just deadline, it's people.